I don't think people understand how easy it is to make a decadent chocolate basque burnt cheesecake at home. Let's dive in. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line your springform pan with parchment paper, making sure it extends above the rim. Now, blend cream cheese and sugar until smooth. Add eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each. Pour in melted dark chocolate and heavy cream. Mix until combined. Here's the secret. Sift in a bit of flour and a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Pour the batter into your prepared pan. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes until the top is deeply browned and the center is still jiggly. Let it cool to room temp, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Slice, serve, and savor that creamy, chocolatey goodness with a perfectly burnt top. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more baking recipes, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece. Happy baking, everyone!